Okay, on the previous slide, you were asked to take the numbers of running shoes that were sold last Saturday. And if you notice, I took the tallies here and I rewrote them out over here to the side. Okay, so 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, and then I have my 8s and then my 10s, which is a total of 12 numbers. I found the mean by adding all of them up and got 95, divided it by 12, and I got an answer of just under 8. Notice this little line above here means that the 6 is repeating. I found my median by crossing off, added the 2 together and divided, and I got 8. And then I have 2 modes because if I look here, I have 5 7s and 5 8s. So if I looked at this, typically there's no outlier, so the mean would be the best measure of center, okay? If not, if there's an outlier, remember a number that's way far away from the others, then I use the median. The mode is if I want to know the most popular. Now, I said that the mean made the most sense, but let's go back and look at this question. If you're restocking the shoes at the end of the day, which measure of central tendency is more meaningful? Do I want to know that the average size of shoes that were bought was about almost an 8? No, I actually don't. I need to know which shoes do I need to go out in the back and I need to grab more of them and put them on the shelves. So therefore, the most meaningful measure of central tendency would be which ones were most popular. Which shoes do I need to go back into my supply closet and I need to pull some of them out and go put them out on the shelves. So in this instance, we're actually looking for the most popular shoe sizes, the ones that were purchased. We need 7 and 8.